Today, we're re-diving into the 18 noticeable indicators of kidney impairment that might show up right on your skin or body. First off, let me cover a few key fundamentals so you grasp the kidney's role. Each kidney sits tucked beneath your ribcage, topped with a small adrenal gland. But they're far more than simple strainers. If you glance at a diagram of a kidney slice, you'll spot a network of winding tubes and channels. Every filtering component, known as a nephron, packs a dense cluster of minuscule blood vessels in a compact unit barely larger than a dust particle. Unroll all those vessels and pipes, and they'd span 1 to 2 miles per kidney, with about 1 million nephrons per organ. That's an incredible setup. The catch? As years pass, these nephrons dwindle, and you might not notice issues until half are gone. The kidneys adapt by swelling slightly, masking damage for a while. But let's truly value what they do. A nephron is the smallest organic sieve imaginable, powered by heaps of mitochondria for its energy-intensive job. Daily, it sifts through roughly 50 gallons of blood, yet we excrete just 1 to 2 liters of waste fluid. It's a master recycler of essentials like amino acids, proteins, salts, and sugars, wondrous and incredibly thrifty. Grasping this marvel might make you reconsider that fast food bite and its toll on your system. One of the first detectable kidney glitches appears in your pee. Excess protein. This signals a breach in the nephron's barrier, letting protein slip into the urine. Luckily, over-the-counter kits can spot it by checking the albumin-to-creatinine ratio. Aim for under 30 milligrams per gram to flag trouble early, before bigger red flags emerge. Sadly, countless folks here battle late-stage kidney woes, queuing for transplants amid a donor shortage, often resorting to dialysis with grim outcomes. Kidney decline unfolds in phases. Stage 2 means 20% nephron loss. Stage 3 hits 60%. Stage 4 reaches 85%. By Stage 5, the endgame, you're down to a mere 5% to 95% of those vital filters wiped out. Keep it on your mental checklist to catch potential issues, and I'll share dietary tweaks and steps to potentially turn it around if addressed promptly. Once fibrosis sets in late, reversals unlikely. Transplants become the fix. What wrecks kidney vitality? Ultra-processed eats top the bill. Think refined sweets, starches, and vegetable oils fueling most trashy snacks. They spark inflammation, prompting scar formation as the body patches up. We're also drowning in unprecedented forever toxins like PFAS, overwhelming kidneys never built for such a chemical flood. Invest in a solid water purifier and dodge these hazards. Insulin resistance, fueled by overdoing those processed calories, ranks huge. I've covered it plenty. Meds pack a punch too. Some antibiotics ravage kidneys and livers via potent side effects. Surprisingly, skimpy vitamin D levels harm kidneys too, ramping up inflammation since D shields against it. Low D correlates straight to damage. Ironically, kidneys activate vitamin D, so impairment hampers that conversion seam for the liver, which teams up on the task. It's a two-way street. Damaged kidneys can't process D, and deficient D invites harm. Magnesium follows suit. Shortages batter kidneys directly. A nutrient gap you wouldn't peg as destructive, but it is. Potassium matters less, but still counts. Folks low on anti-inflammatory omega-3 south often overload on pro-inflammatory omega-6 south from seed oils. A lethal combo for kidneys. And here's a gem: skimping on sleep alone injures kidneys. Perhaps via blood sugar shifts, but solid rest heals them profoundly. Now, onto spotting kidney strain through outward cues. Let's kick off. Swollen eyelids, puffy all around, top and bottom, screaming kidney strain, especially mornings. Puffy ankles or feet press and it indents. That's pitting edema, often kidney-linked or liver-tied. Bulging fingers rings won't budge. Joints ache from fluid buildup. Classic kidney flag. Unexplained poundage, pure water weight, not blubber. bubbly pea foamy like beer. Likely protein leakage. Scratchy, irritated, skin-visible clawing hints at kidney or liver overload. Washed-out complexion, no rosy vitality. Anemia from poor blood handling leaves you ghostly. Shadowy under-eye bags direct kidney distress signal. Easy bruising could tie to liver, but kidneys play a role too. Deep, tea-toned urine amber dark spells potential trouble. Pink-tinged pea blood streaks yell kidney alert. Scant output, less volume than usual. Bone-deep exhaustion, non-stop weariness. Fidgety legs, restless syndrome, often from crappy diets edging pre-diabetes, but a kidney hallmark. Nighttime leg twitches or crampsurium spasms. Magnesium short or kidney woes which deplete mag anyway. Zero hunger food aversion. Funky mouth odor waste, buildup from faulty filtering liver overlap too. Bumpy, ridged nails textural shifts point to kidney funk. If you're at stage 5, loop in your doc to vet any advice. It's a monitored beast. But for dodging trouble altogether, here's the playbook. Load up on vitamin D, magnesium, and balanced phosphorus. Skip the junk food kind, and so does its. Fully absorbed and vicious. Unlike natural sources, omega-3 south from fish liver oil. Kidney saviors. Forget the myth that heaps of protein tanks kidneys data shows type 1 diabetics thriving on fish and dairy. Boosting filtration. Blame sugars, refined carbs, and seed oils instead. Salt's fine unless damage exists. Then ease up to avoid electrolyte jams. Veggies adore kidneys. Green teas backed for function boosts. Zinc's a quiet hero per studies. And Tutka, a bile acid tweak, eases cellular load on overworked kidneys. Curcumin from turmeric tames swelling too. Armed with these spotters, the real game changer is tackling insulin resistance through smart eats. For the full scoop, hit play on this next clip. It's queued up.